Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? You doing fabulous? I hope so. In case you need to hear it, I'm glad you're here. Thank you for making me a part of your daily lives. Did you hit that subscribe button yet? You should. Hey guys, guess what? I have one more unboxing for you. Today we're going to be unboxing the winter Causebox. Causebox! It's a quarterly subscription box. Initially I thought it was a makeup box, but it's actually more of like a lifestyle box. So there's like stuff for the home, stuff for your house, you know, beauty products, you know, whatever. It's a lot of self-care. Every product in here is in theory owned by a woman-based company, and all of the money goes toward a specific project or a fund. To have a 1-year subscription to it, this box completes my 1-year subscription. So let's go ahead and see what it has to offer. Oh goodness. Of course we have a little note about our winter box. So I took a look at it and it's quite interesting. It says, a note about your winter box. We always strive to choose partners with the utmost commitment to quality. This season, Derma E proactively identified an unexpected production issue, and rather than risk sending you a less than perfect product, we worked to replace a portion of the Derma E moisturizing night creams with comparable high quality favorites from the Derma E line. You can learn more about the replacement on the back of this card. So they gave me a brightening night cream, I guess, instead. Always comes with a magazine. I don't really read it because there's spoilers in there, so just set it aside. Of course, the box, both inside and out, is decorated. I absolutely love that they took this step. We do have a nice tissue paper with the custom sticker here, closing it together. We're gonna go ahead and break the seal now. There we go. Is this one? This is a postcard. You always get a postcard with each box, and it's usually from the same, well, it's from the same artist that did the art on the box. So there we go. This one says, and if you look closely, you will see hope is clear, love is near, and kindness can be found in all seasons. Oh, that's motivating. That's really sweet. Maybe I'll put it up back here. Is this heavy number? Whitney Kearney set of 2 mugs. This product provides support to victims of domestic violence. Aww. And then we just have a printed mug here. It almost looks like wood. It kind of looks like a booty right there, I'm not gonna lie. And then maybe like a hoo-ha there. And then we have a pink and white. I don't know if you could see that one. Just nice little abstract designs on each, although I swear that's a butt. That's like the underside of your booty, like booty and some legs. Yeah. I always use coffee mugs, so perfect for me. Here is the Derma E that they're talking about. The Radiance Brightening Night Cream. Licorice extract with vitamin B3. Cool. Pure 4-in-1 correcting primer. I do like Pure products, so that makes me very happy. Cute little tube. Sort of like a holographic, but not like brighten in your face. Like it's kind of a subtle sheen. This one's big. What is this? Your options, sometimes I did customize it or customize 1 or 2 options. Other times I left it open. I believe this one I did customize. I asked specifically for this color combo. And I think it's, I want to say it was like a throw blanket, but it's got the little dingo balls that I like. And then it's just this cute little striped design. The white and sort of beigey tan color. Interesting. What is this one? Looks like we have 2 more items left in the box, and then we are all done for this time around. Let this moment last forever. Share a picture with us at v.samara. I'm going to share a picture and probably the YouTube video with them as well, just because. I was born out of the need of modern essentials designed for the minimalist that are 100% cruelty-free. Yes! Jewelry case was created with attention to detail and compassion for all living things. We hope it's something you're proud to use. Every jewelry case contributes towards providing a solar-powered backpack to children in East Africa through our other initiative, the Solar Backpack. That is really cool. Well, I'm glad to be a part of it. It's cute. Little ring holder. It's got a few necklace places right here. Little rings, piece for your earrings, and a little pouch right here. I love it. I like the color. It's friendly. It's fun. I need a place for my jewelry, especially like just my little things, something I can take on the go. Now, of course, and I wonder if they did this on purpose, you can't have a jewelry box without some jewelry. And this is the last item in the box. Foxy Originals. Switch it up and change your look by Foxy Originals. And it looks like just some sort of like abstracty shapes. We have a bar, little half circles, and then full circles. Actually, that would go perfect in my second hole for my earrings. And that, my dears, wraps it up for this Causebox. This is just the Samara packaging and then just the loose paper on the inside. I did the 1-year subscription to the Causebox. I did the prepaid 1 year. And this actually wraps up my 1-year subscription with them. At this time, I will not be renewing my subscription. It's not that I don't believe in what they stand for, because obviously I do. I want to promote this stuff. However, between this box, between Causebox, the other product subscriptions that I tried, you know, once or twice. Oh God, remember my scary makeup box? Oh, that was terrible. I couldn't. I just can't. Things piling up faster than I can use it. And I don't want to have all this clutter in the house. Organization. I like to have my things put away and everything have its special place. I need to take a break. I need to kind of weed out my things. I will come back to Causebox at some point. Absolutely. Absolutely. I love the products they send. I haven't really been disappointed in the things that they sent. Sometimes I wish they were more makeup-y than like home aesthetic stuff, but I like that I get bags. I like that I get, you know, the little marquees that they send, or earrings and mugs and jewelry and things that I wouldn't spoil myself with, you know, otherwise, or I wouldn't think to pick up. And plus it gives me an opportunity to help support other causes that the humanitarian in me, you know, always wants to lend that helping hand wherever I can, and it was just a good way to do so. I hope a part of the Causebox from December, the profits actually go towards the situation in Australia. As we know, Australia is currently burning, unfortunately. It's very, very sad. I love Causebox. You guys should definitely check them out. Let them know that I sent you. I absolutely support this lifestyle box above almost any others. This is the one that I've had by far the longest. It's just at this point that I need to just kind of take a break and use the things that I've been collecting over this past year. You know what I mean? Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous year. For any family, friends, followers, anybody in Australia, please take care of yourselves, and I wish you all the safety in the world. I can't even begin to imagine what you are going through, so please know that my heart is entirely with all of you. You have so many supporters out there, and the world is watching you. And I know I have seen so many causes come forward already to help put out the fires and help support and help the evacuation and everything that they can. Please stay strong, everyone. And I hope to hear from you soon. If you need to, you can always use my page to check in. So take care, have a blessed day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.